क्या तूने उसे कॉल करने की कोशिश की? Did you try calling him?
Did you try calling him?
इसीलिए तो मैंने उसे पीटा. That's why I beat him.
That's why I beat him.
क्या तुम मजाक कर रहे हो? Are you kidding?
Are you kidding?
वो जानता है क्या करना है. He knows what to do.
He knows what to do.
मुझे उसका behavior अजीब लगता है. I find his behavior strange.
I find his behavior strange.
क्या सही है? What is right?
What is right?
फिर किसे बुलाऊं? Who else can I call?
Who else can I call?
पानी अब गर्म है. आप नहाने जाइए. Water is warm now. You go and take a bath.
Water is warm now. You go and take a bath.
यह तो सचमुच अच्छी खबर है. This is indeed good news.
This is indeed good news.
स्कूल से घर पहुंचने में तुम्हें कितना वक्त लगता है? How long does it take you to get from the school to home?
How long does it take you to get from the school to home?
ये सब किस्मत का चक्कर है. It is the twist of fate.
It is the twist of fate.
मेरी किस्मत खराब है. I have bad luck.
I have bad luck.
मेरा पेट दर्द हो रहा था. I had a stomachache.
I had a stomachache.
लगता है उसे इस बारे में कुछ नहीं पता. He seems to know nothing about it.
He seems to know nothing about it.
आज रात पार्टी हो सकती. There might be a party tonight.
There might be a party tonight.
मेरा ये मतलब नहीं था. I didn't mean it.
I didn't mean it.
लीजिए, आप आ गए. Here comes you.
Here comes you.
मरने से सभी डरते हैं. Everyone is afraid of dying.
Everyone is afraid of dying.
वो अक्सर मुझे हंसाता है. He often makes me laugh.
He often makes me laugh.
वहाँ कितने लोग थे? How many people were there?
How many people were there?
कुर्सी टूटी है. The chair is broken.
The chair is broken.
आप थके हुए लगते हैं. You seem to be tired.
You seem to be tired.
मुझे खुद पर गर्व है. I'm proud of me.
I'm proud of me.
मुझे जाना पड़ा. I had to go.
I had to go.
मैं कोचिंग गया था. I went to coaching.
I went to coaching.
उन्होंने मुझे चुना. They choose me.
They choose me.
वो मैं नहीं होने दूंगा. I will not let that happen.
I will not let that happen.
मैं बस बैठा था. I was just sitting.
I was just sitting.
तुम ऊपर आ रहे हो या मैं नीचे आऊं? Are you coming up or should I come down?
Are you coming up or should I come down?
कहाँ जा रही हो तुम? क्या हुआ तुम्हें? Where are you going? What happened to you?
Where are you going? What happened to you?
अपने पिता को देखकर बच्चा खुश हो गया. Seeing his father, the kid became happy.
Seeing his father, the kid became happy.
वो तुम्हारे पीछे खड़ा था. He was standing behind you.
He was standing behind you.
मेरा दिल धड़कने लगता है. My heart starts throbbing.
My heart starts throbbing.
हंस लो जितना हंसना है. Laugh as much as you want.
Laugh as much as you want.
उसे अपने आप सीखना होगा. He'll have to learn himself.
He'll have to learn himself.
रोहन के साथ साथ उसका दोस्त भी निर्दोष है. Rohan as well as his friend is innocent.
Rohan as well as his friend is innocent.
मैं क्या करूं? रुकूं या जाऊं? What shall I do? Shall I wait or leave?
What shall I do? Shall I wait or leave?
यह लड़ाई मेरे और उसके बीच में है. This fight is between him and me.
This fight is between him and me.
Continue learning English. Click on this video here. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and practice your English in the comments below.